Alright, anyways, back to this. All this ice. Look at this. Still more over here. Under a little bit of water. Turn this light off. All that is just ice and water. Alright, time to catch up with my OG. Nah. Yeah, me too, but look at that. Look at all that grass and leaves over there. All that grass and leaves. Oh, not.
Gas company working. That's the only branch that I really wanted there. Man, that is nuts, dude. I was looking for branches to be all down there and all down there. Nothing really.
Wow. I'm gonna go see this one ice over here.
Like I say, I'm tripping because as strong as that stuff was coming down the car and that stuff was hitting the car, caught the alarm didn't go off one time. But we sitting there on a nice hot day,
And
gentle breeze go. Sucker won't stop going off.
Your car's weird. Wait, is that ice over there?
That is bananas.
I'm trying. Whoa, I didn't see that branch.
Ice out there ain't gonna last long now. Really getting warm.
Yeah. Stinks over here too. Stinks over here too.
Yeah, I smelled that over by the house. I think that might have been what they was cooking in their kitchen though, what I was smelling in the back. When we was walking by dude's white truck. I think that might have been the smell coming out of the kitchen.
Nah, and when I was there, it smelled alright.
It smelled funny to me.
Man.
Nuts. That came out of nowhere.
Wow. All the ice are on the edge.
Yeah. I mean, that stuff came down. Oh!
And fast.
Mommy now. Like, what the hell?
First, she woke up. Oh, there's a lot more ice inside. Here we go. Can't really see it though.
Yeah, what you can't see is in the grass. Man, there's a lot in the grass. Holy cow.
It's all in the grass. Every step you take is just ice. Too bad none of y'all can see this. Every step. Ice, 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 ice. Damn, it goes all the way over here. Damn! Damn, this is Iceland right here. Ice grasslands and shit. I don't know if I heard Pokemon might have some shit like this. I don't know shit. I got a cousin that play that. I'm about to ask them. Damn, that street. Too bad it ain't weed. Man, there's so much ice and water. There's so much ice and water, my shoes are getting wet.
That's what they are. That's what I'm saying. It's soaked. The water's under the ice too.
Yep.
Man, all this fell in a matter of 5 minutes.
Yeah, the whole thing right here is just full of ice.
All this ice fell in a matter of 5 minutes. You would have thought it was failing for at least an hour with all of the hail that's in this grass and on the sidewalks. But now as the temperature starts to get back to normal,
I still see him.
it's starting to rise again.
I'm gonna walk through this again. Who's here? I'm gonna get you. Oh, shit. Damn, this is all ice. Man, so much ice and water, my shoes getting soaked. No rain? Now you can sort of see it look like golf balls and shit. Yup, all over here too. Man, hold on, I gotta put my shorts up. Hold you real quick. Shit. Cool. Alright, let's go check some more places. These some dark ass blocks though. I'm gonna let you know that now. Yup, a lot more ice over here. Bottle. Damn! The berries even came on. Hey, look at this. Some fat ass with a bag of fucking J's and shit. See what we got up? More ice. Look at that. Shocker. Psych. Damn, where all the good berries at? Asshole. Psych. Then look at that. All the not ready ones are still up here. You're getting there. None of y'all nowhere. All y'all still need to grow. Niggas suck ass. Oh, look at that. All the good ones are all the way down here. Ain't that a bitch? Huh? Yeah. All through there, and then all that right there is still ice. My feet are just soaked.
Yeah. Put the wrong jumpers on that. Well, if we didn't know we was gonna be all in the grass, so man, look at all that out there.
Yeah, I recorded all that. But look at this. All the berries that are ready are down here, and then all the ones that still need to go are up here.
That's nuts.